Today I'm at the Superstars restaurant. It's a new restaurant here in East Vancouver in Little Chinatown, unofficial Little Chinatown. So they serve some fantastic dishes for dim sum, lunch, great dishes for dinner. So let's go inside and check it out. This place is packed on a Wednesday. So we start off with the free-range chicken. So once you go lean, you won't go back to regular chicken again. So this is crab and fish maw soup. Fish maw will keep you young. It's one of the ingredients a lot of Chinese people like to eat. Here, and it also has it's probably like the old Chinese drive-in kind of deal. Yeah. Look at this fish maw soup. Now fish maw soup helps you stay young. So a lot of people eat it. I didn't understand, but now I know.
This is for the soup.
Look at that. That's the
I don't know if you like
spicy prawn. Look at this. Look at these prawns. So this is prawns with the shells, and the shells are so crispy before you eat it. So this is one of my favorite dishes here for spicy prawns. Look at these prawns. Spice powder with salt. So combination is really good for prawns.
Average age is 25. Philadelphia is the youngest city right now.
So good, I eat the shell with it. So the pea pod shoots are just simple veggie. So when you order a bunch of dishes, you should include at least one veggie. So this is the one we always go to.
No, it's not bad.
This is the deep fried squid with the spicy salt. So this is a simple dish but lots of flavor. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. This is the egg prawn. This is the prawns battered with the duck egg. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, look at this. Now this is the prawns covered with the duck egg yolk. So this is very popular. People make it with crab. I made it with chicken wings. So give this a try. Spices in there. So this is one of my favorites. I've actually made chicken wings with this. So check out my recipe for chicken wings with the duck egg. So I didn't recognize these at first, but these are rice cakes. Usually they stir fry it, but here they either deep fry it, but they coat it with this duck egg with the butter. So this should be good. My first time eating this. Wow, that is good. Vegetarian tofu. So it's got this is a hot pot with the eggplant and tofu puffs. The tofu puffs are deep fried, and all the sauces in the hot pot are infused into the tofu puff. Is that ever good? So this is the prawns and scallop stir fry over. So this is the prawn and scallop stir fry over celery and spring. Snap these dinner. You can have some dim sum as well. So this is the pork shumai. And here is one of my favorites. This is the tofu skin rolls. So you steam these rolls with the tofu skin. Oh, look at these tofu skin rolls. Called fujuk in our dialect and fuzu in Mandarin. Look at the filling in here. You got the prawns, you got some pork. So fuju or fujuk, it's when you boil the soybean and then you skim off the skin. So when you steam it, it's nice and chewy. When you deep fry it, it has a nice crunch.
Well, I mean, I think we were planning. I thought a lot.
We have the shrimp. Shrimp hakao. This is shrimp hakao. The pork.
Can you give me one bowl?
Steam rolls. This is a really popular item for dim sum. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Today we have a special chicken wing recipe for you. We're going to deep fry the chicken wings and we're going to put a salted duck egg sauce. So this is using a traditional ingredient to make something modern. So I'm sure you really enjoy this. So let's get started. We're going to use duck eggs. You can use regular chicken eggs if you like, but the original recipe uses duck eggs. So there you have it, salted duck egg. So here we have 15 chicken wings. So this recipe, the ingredients you can use for anywhere from 12 to 15 chicken wings. So first you need to put in some regular flour. So I have a third of a cup, maybe slightly more, of regular flour. But I'm going to put a tablespoon of cornstarch in there. Teaspoon or more of this baking powder. I put slightly more than a teaspoon. So this is just black pepper. So it works out to maybe quarter teaspoon, half a teaspoon. I like Himalayan salt. It's natural salt. So I'll put in about quarter to half a teaspoon. Now we're just going to mix the chicken wings up. So now we're ready for the next step. So it's been going for a while. So you stick your chopstick in there, so if it bubbles, that means it's hot enough to put the chicken wings in. So I'm just going to put a few at a time. So if you have more cooking oil, you put more at once. So don't move them around until they get a bit of a crispy coating. So I would say for this type of chicken wing, 10 minutes, but some people would like to deep fry it even longer. So that's really up to you. Now we're going to take off the chicken wings. So I have some paper towel. When you add the cornstarch, it makes the skin a little crispier. So try to cook the ones roughly the same size, that way it's even cooking. You take them all off at the same time. So just a little cooking tip. This is an example of using traditional ingredients such as salted duck eggs to make a more modern recipe. So we're going to preheat the wok here at medium to high heat. So here I have the duck eggs. I just boiled just like a regular egg, and then just use your fork to mash it up. So mash it up really well. So this is going to go into the sauce. So I have 4 duck eggs here. So I'm just waiting for the wok to heat up. So I'm just going to mash the duck eggs. And then you can also use salted chicken eggs. So you can also use ready-made salted egg in a paste form. It's already made, so just check my Chinese cooking accessory guide in the description below this video. So I'll try and get some suppliers that can supply you with the ready-made salted eggs. The wok has been preheating at medium to high heat. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there, a tablespoon of chopped ginger, and 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Usually this recipe doesn't include ginger, but I like ginger, so I put it in everything. Almost everything. So just give it a quick stir fry. So now I'm just going to turn the heat down. So turn it down to medium now. Because we're using butter in this recipe, I don't want the wok to get too hot. So I have 4 patties of butter. So it's just good to keep it on lower heat. The butter burns. So next I'm going to put a teaspoon of curry powder. So I saw one of these recipes, they say curry powder is a secret ingredient. So I would agree. So I put that in for this recipe. So there's 4 salted duck eggs I mashed with my fork. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm just going to use the white sugar. So just put the sugar in there like that. So now I'm just going to put some chili flakes in there. This is an optional ingredient. So you like it spicy, put anywhere from 1 teaspoon to 3 teaspoons. Depending how spicy, you can put even more chili flakes. So now I'm just going to keep this on low, and I'm going to put the chicken wings in. So I had 15 chicken wings. So now it's only 12 because I ate 3 of them. I'll put the chicken wings in there. And now we're just going to toss it all together like this. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm just going to put some green onions in there. So just put about a 1/3 of a cup in there. Maybe 1/2 a cup. There you have it. Using a traditional ingredient, we have salted duck eggs, chicken wings. Enjoy. Ooh, look at that, look at that. This is combining the traditional salted duck egg in a chicken wing recipe. So you gotta try this. Thanks for checking out my video. And please give me a thumbs up. And be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel. And please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.